I'd like to take a few minutes to talk about the financial security behind structured settlements. If you have an existing structured settlement, or you're considering one, or you're a lawyer for someone who's considering a structured settlement, it's only natural, in view of the current economic environment, and perhaps if you have been reading stuff in National Underwriter or elsewhere regarding the Elney situation, I can understand why you might have some questions about the financial security of structured settlements. But let's talk about it. Structured settlements are issued primarily by life insurance companies. While you can do a United States Treasury bond-funded structured settlement, I would like to address the issue related to insurance companies. Now, AM Best recently observed in relation to the life insurance industry the following, and I'm going to read it to you. It says, defying a host of economic challenges, financial impairments in the life insurance segment have appeared to reach the lowest point in half a century in terms of number and frequency in 2011. Now, I happen to be a baby boomer, and in 1962, I was probably still wearing diapers, as many of you out there probably were as well. So if you've got children that are considering a long-term structured settlement, you should take that into account, that we're at a point that AM Best, a well-respected third party, has observed that this is the lowest point in terms of frequency of impairments in over 50 years. The companies that issue or have issued structured settlements, for the most part, are some of the largest and longest operating life insurance companies in the United States. For example, in terms of admitted assets, Metropolitan Life Insurance Company, Prudential of America Group, Manulife Financial, which includes John Hancock Life Insurance Company and Life Insurance Company of New York. And Manulife also used to issue structured settlements in the United States, no longer does, but issues structured settlements in Canada. The Sun America Financial Group, which incorporates American General Life Insurance Company, VALIC, or Variable Annuity Life Assurance Company, which for a brief time wrote structured settlements in New York, and United States Life Insurance Company in the City of New York, which currently writes structured settlements, as well as Western National. New York Life, Hartford Life is a former structured settlement annuity issuer, Ing USA Life Group, Aegon. These are the top 10 insurance companies in the United States in terms of assets. AM Best did a really nice job of recognizing what the challenges were for the life insurance industry in the current economic environment. But one of the things that they did say that I think is fairly meaningful and might be meaningful to the people that are watching this particular video is that it says, as the recent financial crisis has demonstrated, secure-rated insurance companies have the capital to withstand a reasonable amount of investment losses. So when you think about doing a structured settlement or life insurance or long-term care, basically what you're looking for, setting aside all the product features and the other tailoring, you're looking for the security and comfort of knowing that this company is going to be there to stand the test of time. We don't know exactly what's going to happen in the future, but one of the things we can say with certainty is that many of the companies offering structured settlements have been in existence for over 150 years. For example, New York Life, which is a current annuity issuer, and Mass Mutual, which is a former structured settlement annuity issuer, and John Hancock Life, which is a current annuity issuer. These companies have been around since before the Civil War. Now, how long ago is that? President Lincoln was president. Okay, how many presidents have there been since? Then you've got MetLife, 1868, Pacific Life, 1868, Prudential, 1875, Transamerica, former annuity issuer, 1906, Liberty Mutual, the sinking of the Lusitania, 1912. We've got United States Life Insurance Company in the City of New York, which is the American General or AIG's New York subsidiary, has been around since 1919. Allstate was founded in the Great Depression in 1931. If you think about what has happened since 1845 that New York Life has seen, and it still has top ratings from all the rating agencies. If you look at what MetLife has done and seen, if you look at what these other companies have done and seen, these are companies that are issuing structured settlement annuities today, here and now. If you already have an existing structured settlement, some of these companies that you may have an existing structured settlement, such as Mass Mutual, or Transamerica. These companies have been around for well over 100 years. And while it's certainly good to stay on top of things, and we certainly do, you should not throw out the baby with the bathwater. You've got a good financial instrument, and these companies have stood the test, in fact, stood the test of time. Thank you. I'm John Dare, and have a great day.